One of the most common things we'll say to patients when they first come in is, are you even at the start line? Because many patients who present with chronic pain aren't actually ready to receive treatment. And so perhaps they've already had a lot of treatment in the past which hasn't worked, and hopefully this will shed some light on perhaps why. Many times when people are stuck in a pain loop, it's simply because their nervous system, their fight or flight or autonomic nervous system, is in such a high level of activity that it's maintaining the threat perception in the body, and so it's maintaining that experience of pain. Because pain is more than just the structure of the area in which you feel it. It's a complex array of emotional factors, neurological factors, inflammatory factors that all come together to give us our experience of pain. And so if you're someone that is extremely highly stressed, fatigued, burning the candle at both ends, is it even possible to get out of pain? Well, maybe, but it's extremely unlikely. And so what we often say to people is we've got to get on top of that first. We've got to get you to the start line, build a foundation. And so the obvious next question is, well, how do we do that? Well, we can utilize some vagus nerve exercises. And lots of people have now heard of the vagus nerve, which is essentially the nerve in the body that comes from the brainstem, and it helps essentially calm all areas of the body. It helps govern our digestive systems, which is very rest and digest, and it is what's called parasympathetic. It's very calming. And very simplistic ways of doing this is utilizing exercises such as actually gargling, singing, humming, cold exposure, such as cold showers, is something that we're big proponents of. And so starting to utilize these techniques as well as controlled breathing techniques, which can be very, very simplistic, where you simply breathe out for longer than you breathe in. Using that throughout the day, managing your blood sugars nutritionally, because that will easily spike your stress response, can be very simple ways to start to lower this vagus, increase this vagus nerve activity. Equally, using meditation and yoga and other techniques to try and improve your stress management is very important in starting to reduce the pain.